If you often lose money trading binary options, you cannot double your capital, and you try different strategies every day in search of the best one, this video is for you. Now I'm going to work in real time with one of my favorite and simplest strategies and give you the top secrets that helped me stop losing money in trading a few years ago. The results of this method are very impressive. Over the past months, I have received more than 100 positive reviews, so I know what I'm talking about. The type of candles is Heikin-Ashi. Time frame is 1 minute. I turn on the alligator and Ozma indicators. Let's start with the alligator. I change in just period to 10, just shift to 5, shift to period change into 7, to shift change to 3, lift period to 4, lift shift to first. I will quickly change the colored lines for my convenience and move on to Ozma. Fast EMA period I'm changing to 15. Changing the slow EMA period to 35, signal SMA period 220. I also changed the color of the histogram. There are $350 in my account. The trade time is 30 seconds. I start with an amount of $70. My prediction is that the price will go up before I press the green button right now and open a buy trade. Yeah, friends, this is a fast strategy, so I tell you everything step by step. After a long downtrend, I see a correction in the market reversal. This is very clearly visible with the help of alligator lines. The 3 lines intersected at one point and changed direction. It happened at about 10, maybe 7 minutes ago, and during that time I became convinced that this was not a fake moment. Then using a histogram, I see a very good one. The blue candles are growing and this pattern looks very strong. In general, I'm almost sure that a new trend is starting, and that's why I opened several buy trades. Yeah, friends, you understood me correctly. I opened a few trades. I wait for the result, as you can see that it was a profit. And after that, I open the trade again. My main task is to control the candles. If everything is moving steadily, I open from 2 to 5 or 7 quick trades. If something goes wrong, I stop and look for another currency pair. Here, my 2 trades are profitable. Look at this. I did not risk a large amount and made more than $100 of a net profit in 2 minutes. It's a very good start. I don't change the settings. There's an OTC currency period. I'm starting a new series of trades. Friends, with this method, you can trade wherever you want. Over-the-counter currencies like currencies, over-the-counter stocks, or any other assets that are available for trading. So don't ask me why I choose OTC. I just saw a good pattern for the signal and I'm working here. It's a fast strategy, so there is no point in thinking about it. The secret of this method is the correct pattern for the signal. Your Heikin-Ashi candles should look like waist, Wasser, or I don't know the DNA chain. Candles grow, candles fall, candles grow, and it's for fit. As you can see, I choose very smooth and beautiful corrections. The indicator gives a good signal. Therefore, I make a profit again. The pattern should be logical and understandable to your eyes. The simpler, the better. I'm making the rules between trades for about 10 seconds, and if I see a really good signal, I can even open 10 trades in a row. But now I will not do this, so it's not a waste of your time. I think you have already understood how it works. The second secret is the entry point to the trade. I advise you to open a trade at a time when you see from 3 to 7 candles on the Ozma histogram. If there are no candles, it's early. If you see more than 10 candles, it's too late. Now I want to show you how not to do it. The signal looks bad. I'm going against all the secrets and rules, but I'm opening a trade here. I think it will be a losing signal, but maybe I will be lucky and it will be a profit. In any case, my friends, you need to remember that such patterns are very dangerous, and you can make a series of unprofitable signals. Otherwise, you need to look for something better and not try to work here. Even if you catch a loss at Quotex, the best solution is to pause for 1 or 2 hours. Wait for the markets to update, and try again very carefully. Sometimes it helps, but sometimes they're very bad days and this strategy doesn't work. Yeah, my friends, this is absolutely normal. Out of 10 profitable days, sooner or later, there will be 1 or 2 unprofitable days. So, 1 step back and 2 steps forwards. Super, my friends. I made a profit again. I'm lucky today and I'm ready to take stock. Okay, friends, look at my balance. It took me 10 minutes to triple my capital, triple my deposit. The strategy is really simple as possible. I hope you will use my role, so write your opinion in the comments. It's very interesting for me. Don't forget about $100 for 5 friends and people in every video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and just write me something to my Telegram. Link only in video description. In the next video, I'll choose 5 people randomly and send money, and that's all guys from the last video. Maybe next time it will be you, so act right now. I wish you good luck and see you soon on my YouTube channel.